I do this with teachers all over the country. This is one of our professional development programs that we do with teachers all over the country in school districts, right? And so the reason why I love this one is because you get to see how people, with whatever their letter is, you get to see how they respond or how they define conflict. So them friends that be hyping you up and cheering you on, and you be like, yeah, I'm finna go, girl, you better go do that. Or you be like, bro, listen, I'm on the grind right now, bro. I'm finna tear it up, bro. 6 months, you ain't gonna be able to see me. I'm trying to do 315 on the bench. That's what I'm talking about, my dog, do that. Right? They give support. They gonna hype you up, right? So a person that's a high D, they're all about control and achievement. They wanna get the results. They don't care what rules we gotta break, just as long as we get the results. 9%. 9% of the world. When you have a person that's a D, remember I told you, they're all about the results. They want to get it done, right? So if we were having a competition and saying, yo, listen, who can get $10,000 in 30 days, or matter of fact, in 24 hours, like if y'all really like that, right? The D would be balls to the walls about it. All gas, no brakes. And done it this way, because if it was me, I would have handled da-da-da-da and did it this way. Not realizing that they not wired how we wired. You disappointed in the student because the student didn't meet your expectations, but the student not wired how you wired. So they gonna handle the situation different, right? Wait, I just don't do conflict, I'm straight. I want you to think about this with some of the students that you all serve. When you don't have all the information, your initial reaction is to avoid. But when you do have all the information, right? There were a lot more people that came and said, yo, okay, I see conflict, I got it. I can do this, I can handle this. Okay, we're having a heated exchange. Okay, now that I know all the information, okay, now I can listen to you and talk to you.